Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is chicken rice. Chicken rice offers a delightful combination of textures and flavors, making it a beloved comfort food appreciated by people from various backgrounds. Its simplicity and deliciousness have made it a staple in many households and restaurants worldwide. Chicken rice is a delectable and popular dish enjoyed in various forms across the globe. Let's start the recipe. Take half kg boneless chicken and clean it. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil, half tablespoon of turmeric, salt as per your taste and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add 1/4 tablespoon of coriander powder, 4 tablespoons of curd, half tablespoon of garam masala, 3/4 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and lemon juice extracted from 1 lemon. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Take 2 cups of basmati rice and clean 2 times. Drain the water. Add water and soak for 30 minutes. In a vessel, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add marinated chicken. Adjust red chili powder as per your taste. Cook on high heat only until chicken turns into red color. Mix occasionally. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. Chicken pieces are perfectly fried. You can see in the video. Transfer the chicken pieces to the plate. In the same vessel, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil, 10 or 12 black pepper, 2 star anise. Adjust black pepper as per your taste. Add 2 medium-sized chopped onions, 2 green chilies. Add 2 bay leaves. Fry until onion turns light brown. Now add 1 3/4 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Add 1/4 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Add fried chicken pieces. Mix well. Add 3½ cups of water. Add salt as per your taste, 1/4 cup of chopped coriander, 1/4 cup of mint and 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi. Mix well. Now on low heat add soaked basmati rice. Mix well. Cook on high heat until it comes to boil. Close and cook for 15 minutes on low heat. Mix gently. Very tasty and delicious chicken rice is ready. You can serve with any non-veg gravy and raita. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.